In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide layers in Canva. When you're working on designs, there might be moments when you want to momentarily make certain elements invisible. This would help you visualize your design without those elements being present. While you might think Canva should have a dedicated feature for hiding layers, it actually doesn't. But don't worry, there's a nifty workaround we can use, and it involves adjusting the transparency of elements to achieve a similar effect. So, let's dive straight into the process. Begin by opening your design in Canva, where you may have layers that you want to manipulate. If you're new to Canva, don't be intimidated. This is a straightforward process that can be done by anyone, regardless of their previous experience. The first thing you need to do is click on the element or layer you want to make invisible. Once you've selected it, you'll want to look at the toolbar which pops up above your design area. Here, you'll find an icon that signifies the transparency feature. This icon usually looks like a square with a checkered pattern. This symbolizes the transparency options. When you click on the transparency icon, a slider will appear, giving you the ability to adjust the layer's transparency. Now, go ahead and move the slider all the way down to 0. And just like that, the specific layer you selected will become completely invisible within your design. The layer itself isn't deleted, merely its contents are transparent, which creates the impression that it's hidden. This is a great way to temporarily remove elements without losing them, allowing for a seamless design modification if you ever change your mind later. To verify that the layer is indeed hidden, you can right-click on the area where the layer is supposed to be. This is particularly useful in complex designs where several layers might overlap. Once you right-click, hover your cursor over the layer option in the context menu. This will display a list of all the layers present in your design, which serves as an efficient tool for managing and confirming the elements you're working on. Within this menu, click on Show Layers. This feature lets you review your layers and check which ones are visible or have been set to transparent. As you skim through this list, you'll identify the layer we've just altered, as it lacks a visible text or image thumbnail, indicating it's been made transparent. And there you have it. You've successfully made a layer invisible in Canva by adjusting its transparency. This method is particularly helpful for refining your design layouts, letting you experiment with different arrangements without losing any of your original content. Whenever you need to bring a layer back, just adjust the transparency slider back up and it'll reappear as before. I hope you found this workaround both helpful and easy to incorporate into your design process. Thanks for following along, and happy designing with Canva.